Hi everyone, we are in London at the OnePlus 6 launch event, and now we are going to walk around to see what journalists and fans think about the new flagship killer.
I think they've done a really good job at being competitive.
They have done what they had to do with this OnePlus 6.
Because they're offering some great specs, you know, supercharged, you've got a good camera in there, the screen looks lovely, nice design, for under £500.
When Karl said it, the reaction of the crowd kind of said it all, like it's a very good price.
And it's a huge step forward from the 5.
I really like it, it's really lightweight and smooth, I really like the design.
I can't believe it's actually glass, it feels more like metal, it's quite interesting, yeah.
It feels much faster, like noticeably faster than competing phones, and considering it's coming at basically half the price, it's, you know, it's very exciting.
I really appreciate the slow motion. I didn't try it, I want to, because everybody has slow motion right now, but you can record for 1 minute and then decide which point slow down.
The white version, which is, have you touched it? The finish on it, there we go, touch it. How nice is that? I think this is beautiful.
Also the white, maybe the border are too pinkish for me, but I think that they had done a great work about design.
As I said, I think like the design, and I want to get that limited edition, the silk white. I can't wait till that comes out.
I think the best new thing is the camera.
I like that focus on speed, like how quick it is to fast charge. My battery on my phone current is rubbish, so I'm waiting for that.
What do I not like? I didn't like that there was no like official IP, like say 68 rating. It was just water resistant.
Because of the curve of the body, when you press the sides of the phone, it wobbles on a flat surface.
London, can I say it? It's not about the phone. Okay, I didn't like the sides. Again, I would like to have it a little bit smaller. 6.28, it's too much.
No wireless charging. You got a glass phone, no wireless charging. That doesn't make any sense.
I wish that it was a bit stronger because it's got such a nice design that I don't want to put it in the case. And I feel like I'm going to have to put it in the case to protect it because it's glass.
I like everything that I've seen today. I'm not really a fan of the notch, but I think I get used to it.
What do I know? Probably the notch, I think. The notch at the top of the screen, yeah.
Turning this question.
No, that's not. For me it's fine, I like the notch.
You like the notch? Okay, that's cool.
Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment what do you think about the new OnePlus 6, what you like most and what you don't like at all.